Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a really interesting piece of gear, the 2 Pro HD 1080p body cam. This is a wearable mini camera designed to capture your world hands-free, whether you're out on a hike, working, or traveling. Right off the bat, the main draw here is the HD 1080p resolution. The product description highlights unparalleled clarity, and that's exactly what you want from a camera meant to capture details. It uses CMOS photo sensor technology, which is pretty standard for this type of device, helping to ensure good image quality. The video capture resolution is indeed 1080p, so you should expect crisp footage for reliving those moments later. One of the standout features mentioned is the night vision capability. This is a big plus, especially if you're planning to use this camera for outdoor activities that might extend into the evening or for any low-light situations. Being able to capture clear footage when the sun goes down makes it much more versatile than cameras without this feature. It's specifically called out as being perfect for outdoor activities and nighttime use, which makes sense. Of course, it functions as a standard video recorder. The video recording function lets you capture your adventures and memories. The description says you can relive your experiences anytime, anywhere, which is the core purpose of recording video, isn't it? It saves footage in AVI format, which is a common video container format, so it should be compatible with most media players and editing software. A crucial feature for continuous recording is the loop record function. This means you don't have to worry about running out of storage space and missing a critical moment. The camera automatically overwrites the oldest footage when the memory card is full, ensuring that recording continues uninterrupted. This is particularly useful for longer activities or when using it for work purposes where continuous monitoring might be needed. Storage is handled via a micro SD card, which is convenient and allows you to swap cards or easily transfer footage to a computer. The design is described as a wearable mini body camera. This is key to its functionality. Being mini and wearable means you can attach it to clothing or gear and keep your hands free. This is ideal for outdoor activities like cycling, hiking, or even just walking around. It's also suggested for work use and travel and trips, which makes sense. For work, it could be used for documentation or safety. For travel, it's a discreet way to record your journey without constantly holding a camera or phone. The maximum focal length is listed as 105 and maximum aperture as 2.8 f, which gives some technical insight into the lens capabilities, suggesting it can handle varying light conditions reasonably well and potentially offer some zoom capability, though the primary use case seems to be wide-angle recording from a body-worn perspective. Overall, the 2 Pro HD 1080p body cam appears to be a feature-packed mini camera aimed at users who need hands-free recording in various environments, including low light, thanks to its night vision. The combination of HD resolution, loop recording, and wearable design makes it a compelling option for capturing life on the go.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.